my dear smart students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. I, Miss Munazzar Sayyed, welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Now see, as I said you that daily one good thought we are going to see. Okay, do you remember my last good thought, what I said in English period? Anyone? Okay, good. Try but don't cry. Means what it means? Always we have to practice and we have to try instead of crying. Now today's good thought is practice makes man perfect. What I said? Practice makes man perfect. So as I said you in first good thought, try but don't cry. In the same way, what we are going to see here, for example, practice. Practice means what? Doing one particular thing again and again. Suppose for math sum, if you will know that while solving the sum, you are unable to add 5 plus 7. Okay, it will go in tens. So what you have to do? You have to practice, means again and again you have to solve that, even practice that. So not only for maths actually, in other way also you can do. So how much you will practice, that much you will be perfect. So practice makes man perfect. So always you have to try, you have to practice, and you should not tell I can't, you have to say I can. Very good. Now we will move to our studies. Okay, so I'll ask you some questions, you have to answer. Okay, first one, what is this, children? Hand. Very good. What are these? Fingers. Very good. What are these? Eyes. Very good. Now something else I will ask you. Now you have to just answer me. We see with our dash. You have to fill the blank. We see with our eyes. Very good. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. Very good. And we feel with our skin. So these words what I said you, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, these are our sense organs. What are these? These are our sense organs. This we have learnt in our previous class, means you all have learnt in first standard that these are the sense organs. So today we are going to see some more body parts and some internal things in our body. Lesson number 2 of EVS grade 2, how my body works. Okay. So as I said you can see here on the screen, in the previous class you learnt about some parts of the body and what they help us to do. Let us try to remember. We see with our eyes. How we can see? With our eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. We see with our eyes. Next, we hear with our ears. How we can hear? With the help of ears. We hear. Hear means sunna, aikne. Okay. We hear with our ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Next is we taste with our tongue. How we taste? With our tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Tongue spelling is T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Next is we smell with our nose. Suppose your mother is cooking something in the kitchen, if you will smell the beautiful smell, the delicious smell, what you will do? You will go in the kitchen. So what the nose helps us? It smells. Okay, we smell with our nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Next, we feel with our skin. Suppose you went near to the gas or something hot pot. By mistake, your finger has touched to the Or suppose here is the example, actually the iron, the girl is standing near that and you can see on her fingers it has become red. So, she felt hotness there, okay. So, for that sake it has become red. So, we feel with our skin, S-K-I-N, skin. Now, see here are some statements that you have to tell, these are true or false. First one, we hear with our ears. Is it true, children? We hear with our ears? Yes, I will show you the answer. Very good, you all are correct. Next, we smell with our eyes. Can anybody smell with our eyes, children? No, na? Okay, just remember your answer. False. Why? Because we see with our eyes, we can't smell with our eyes. Next, when we eat chocolate, what they are asking us, when we eat chocolate, we taste with our tongue. Is it correct? Yes, of course. Why? Because we taste with our tongue. We feel, next one is, we feel the heat and the cold with our skin. True? Now, next one is, our eyes, ears, tongue, skin and nose are called internal organs. Internal means they are inside our body? No. Yes? False. Now, we have finished with this. Now, see, the eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin are our sense organs. So, first one point is, what we saw, it was a recap actually. Sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Fifth one is skin. So, these all are our sense organs. So, see here, first one is eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Eyes means two eyes, children, okay. Next, N-O-S-E, nose. Next, ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Fourth one, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Fifth one, S-K-I-N, skin, okay. Now, see, here we are going to see something different. See here, there are some other parts of our body which we cannot see. Or can you see all the parts of your body, children? Just see, which we can see is hand, eyes, nose, ears, stomach, fingers, leg, feet, thighs. So, these parts of our body we can see, but some parts of the body which we cannot see, okay. There are some parts that we can't see, they are inside the body. Now, whichever the parts are outside the body that you can see, but some parts that we cannot see are inside the body. So, they are inside. In means what? They are present in our body. But outside means what? Out means bahar, okay. So, those are these, see, hand, fingers, eyes, nose, tongue, lips, these are the outside our body, okay. So, these are outside parts of our body, but inside the body many parts are there that we can't see. So, they do different kinds of work. Exactly in the same way how the outside body parts can work. Now suppose our legs, with the help of our legs we are walking. Okay. Now with the help of our hands we can hold something. ठीक है, I hold the mouse. ठीक है, I can eat food by my hand. Yes, I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. Okay, so these parts are doing, or like they are in work. In the same way, the parts which we cannot see and they are inside our body, so those parts also works in a different way. Okay, now outside body parts are working in a different way and inside body parts are working in a different way. Okay, now children listen, if I will tell you or another teacher will tell you, think and answer me, what will be the action for think? You will do like this, right? So this is an action of think, but how you are thinking, okay, that we are going to see. Now first you can see here brain, see this is our brain. What is this? This is our brain, B-R-A-I-N, brain. This is our brain. Now what is the uses and what brain does, that we are going to see. See, the brain helps us to think. As I said you, how we are thinking, that we are going to see with the help of that action I showed you. See here, the brain helps us to think, B-R-A-I-N, brain. The brain helps us to think. For what purpose the brain helps us, children? Means what is the main work of brain? Thinking. Yes, thinking. And the next is it controls all the sense organs and the way we think. What brain does? It controls. Control means संभालता है. Okay. It controls. What brain controls? Thus all the work which sense organ does. Okay, means sense organs means which are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These five are our sense organs. Okay, so brain control these five. Okay, brain controls the sense organs and the way we think. So the way we think means what, children? How we are thinking. Suppose we are talking something bad about other people. So what brain will do means it will control, bad or good, whatever it may be, it depends on you. Actually we should not talk anything bad about anyone. Okay. So what brain controls? The way we think, whatever we are thinking, whatever we are learning, whatever we are watching, means whatever we are feeling, it controls everything. Brain controls everything. First of all, brain controls the work done by sense organs. And the next is brain controls the thinking, the way of thinking. Okay. The brain is inside the head. Where is the brain actually? It is inside the head. See here in this picture, the brain is inside. This is our head. See the white dot I am moving here. This is our head and in the head we have brain. Okay. So first one part which is inside our body, we saw the brain. First one we saw the B-R-A-I-N, brain. Okay, B-R-A-I-N, brain. Now next we are going to see is lungs. Which we are going to see? Lungs. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. First one we saw the brain, T-H-E, the, B-R-A-I-N, brain, the brain. Now second one we are going to see is lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. See here, the lungs help our body to use the air. Okay, how to use the air? Lungs are helping us. You can see here in this picture, children? See here. Now we are taking breathe in from the nose, okay, and breathe out also from the nose, but we are taking air inside, oxygen inside, and these are our lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs, okay. So these are our lungs. The lungs help our body to use the air. For what purpose the lungs are helping us? To take the breathe or to take the air in, to use the air. The lungs help our body to use the air that we breathe in through the nose. As I said you, we are breathing. Now see, do with me. Breathe in, breathe out. So how you did? With the help of nose, the air went inside your body, means you took the air inside, means your chest will become like, it will be high, na? See, like this. So lungs help us to use the air for breathing. There are 2 lungs in the chest. How many lungs are there? 2. Okay. So second one, the part of body which we saw is the lungs. Second one, the lungs. Okay. L-U-N-G-S, lungs. What? L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Now third one and very important we are going to see. See here, the heart. Okay. H-E-A-R-T, heart. The heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. What the heart does? It pumps the blood to all, it supplies the blood to all the body parts. The heart is on the left side of the chest. Where is the heart? Is on the left side of the chest. Now H-E-A-R-T, heart. See here in this picture you can see this is our heart and it is equal to or as much size of our fist. Okay. This is our heart and it is on the left side of the chest. Now next we are going to see is the stomach. Okay. Third one we saw the heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Okay. Now see, till now how many the parts of our body which are inside, how many we saw? 3. Okay. First one brain, second one lungs and third one heart. Now next we are going to see is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. The food that we swallow goes to the stomach. Where it went, where it goes, the food that we are swallowing, the food that we swallow goes to the stomach. Where it goes? In the stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Next, in the stomach, the food is broken down or digest. What they are telling us? The food is broken down. Broken means what? Now see, when you will take a small bite, what will be the step then? You will put it in your mouth. Then you will chew it properly. Then you will swallow. Swallow means what? Ningalna. Okay. So what are these are the steps? When you will swallow that bite, then what will happen? If you will swallow, if you will take a small bite, it will not go in the same way in our stomach. What it will be? It will be broken down. Means the way it's going down, it will be break. It will not be same. So why? Because already that bite you will chew properly. Okay. Then you will swallow that. So that will, while going down, it will be break. Means it will be spread everywhere. Okay. Then broken down or digest. So what will happen? The next step after swallowing the bite or the food, it will get digest. Okay. So the breaking down of the food is called digestion, means hazam hona. Okay. So the breaking down of food, breaking down, as I said you, it will spread, it will break in the stomach. So the breaking down of the food in the stomach is called digestion. See here, digestion, 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 digestion. In the picture you can see this boy had already taken a bite of apple. See here. In the next picture you will see this is our stomach, and when he will eat, actually he had already the bite, then it will go, as I said, and it will get spread or it will break, then the digestion procedure will be proceed. Okay. Now next, here this is our body. So this is a brain, the internal body part which is inside our body. This is a brain, as we saw the first one, brain. Second one, lungs, very good. Third one, heart. The heart will be here. Fourth one, stomach, and this is our stomach. So the brain, lungs, heart and stomach are known as organs. What are these? These are organs. Okay. Next, they are found inside our body. Where are they? They are inside our body. So therefore they are called as internal organs. What they are called as? Internal organs. Fourth one we saw, the stomach. Okay. The stomach, stomach. Okay. So first one we saw the brain, next the lungs, third one the heart, fourth one the stomach. So what are these? These are internal organs. Okay, what are these? These are internal organs. As I said you, these are the sense organs. Okay, but these are outside our body. We can see these parts easily because they are outside. Okay, now eyes we can see, nose, ears, tongue and skin also. But whereas we are also having some parts of our body that we cannot see because they are inside our body. Okay, inside our body. So those parts are the brain. Can you see the brain, children? Now suppose your brother is in front of you. Can you see his brain? No, we can't see because it is inside. Second, the lungs. Okay, that too we can't see. Third, the heart and stomach. Okay. Now I will ask you some questions. Okay. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are our sense organs. Very good. Next, the brain, lungs, heart and stomach are our internal organs. Why they are called as internal organs, children? Because they are inside our body. Okay. Now here I am going to play again the audio of this lesson.
Chapter 2. How my body works. The eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin are our sense organs. There are some other parts of our body which we cannot see. They are inside the body. They do different kinds of work. Brain. The brain helps us to think. It controls all the sense organs and the way we think. The brain is inside the head. The lungs help our body to use the air that we breathe in through the nose. There are 2 lungs in the chest. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The heart is on the left side of the chest. The food that we swallow goes to the stomach. In the stomach, the food is broken down or digested. The breaking down of food is called digestion. The brain, lungs, heart and stomach are known as organs. They are found inside our body. Therefore, they are called internal organs.
Now see here. Here again we are having some exercises actually. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. What we have to do, we have to select one of the word to complete the proper sentence and the correct sentence. The organ that controls our sense organs and the way we think is the, what is that organ children? I already explained you that the work of the sense organs and the way we are thinking is controlled by lungs, brain or stomach. Very good. Brain. Yes, brain is the right answer. Next, our lungs help us to breathe or digest our food. What it helps? The lungs help us to breathe. Very good. This is also correct answer. And again the third question you can see on the screen. The brain is found or located in the head, stomach or chest. Where you can see, where is the brain actually? In the stomach it is? No, na? Yes. What is the correct answer then? Head. Very good. The brain is inside our head. Next. The heart pumps blood or water or food to all parts of our body. Can you think that a heart supplies or pumps water to our body? No. Will see the answer? Yes, it's blood. Food is broken down in the stomach, lungs or heart. What you can see? Food is broken down in the stomach? Yes, good. Very good children. You all have told the correct answer. Now see, here we are having, name these parts of the body. What are these? These are the lungs. So what you have to do? You have to write here the part's name. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Next, what is this children? Is it stomach? I think it's a stomach. Are you agree with my answer? No. Why? Because it's a brain. B-R-A-I-N, brain. Next, heart. And the last one is stomach. This will be as a homework you have to do. And next, here also we are having, match the organ with the work it does. One has been done for you. See, this is a column A and this is a column B. You can see here the stomach, they have matched it to the digest food. Why? Because our stomach digests the food. Next, the heart, the lungs, the brain. This also you have to do by yourself. This is your homework. In textbook itself you have to solve. Next, find the names of the body parts in the word grid. One has been done for you. Now, here in the blue bracket, you have the names of the body part. You have to search those body parts in this word grid box and you have to circle it. First one, tongue, they had done for you. So, this also you have to do children. This will be your homework. So, today we have learned, actually first of all we revised our sense organs as you have learnt in first standard. Now, for this we saw today internal organs. Why we are calling these organs internal children? Because they are inside our body. Okay, these are the internal organs. And as I said you that you have to practice, means what the good thought is, practice makes man perfect. So remember this good thought, and what homework I told you that you have to do in your textbook itself. See, like this textbook you all have, okay. In this textbook, in your Canopy textbook, you have to solve those exercises, okay. Be happy and thank you.